So, hi guys, we're back with another video for the birds. So, yeah, let's start off with this couple. Come on, don't want to scare you, so, sorry, she has, whoa, she's won. That's really good, guys. Well done, you little naughty girl. And our cinnamon teal and her nail, none. That's a bit disappointing. And then we will. Oh, they're both in the nest box, man. Look at those babies. They're big, healthy, lovely budgies. Oh my gosh, they're lovely. Like, well done, well done, well done, Missy. Right, let's check this couple. I don't think they'll have any, but oh yeah, they don't have any yet. So guys, we're gonna check this couple, the canary, one of the canary couples. Let me just get it in my hand properly. 1, 2, 3. I think there's 4 of them in there. So let her get back to her eggs. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Here, you get back in there. I'm sorry. But shit, these. Is the zebra finch baby there? Yeah. Right, he's in there. We're not going to scare him because it's a new world for him. So, yeah. I don't know, to be honest, I don't know who is which. I think Emma's the one in the nest. Yeah, that's Emma. So, as you can see, Emma's babies are huge, man. They look exactly like her. That's the good thing. And, God, Emma, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. She had 6 before, but one of her naughty babies broke it. So we're not going to carry on about that. We're going to take them out tomorrow probably. Same with him because he's eating as well now. Fine. So, yeah. And guys, I'm just so excited. And I can't believe this couple have eggs. So, oh, he's cleaning himself, bless him. Emma's doing a good job, you are, girl, aren't you? And this Mill's just doing his thing. Oh. He is definitely adult now. He is basically an adult now. So, yeah. And look. Yeah, there's him, bless him. As you can see, we've got rid of our yellow bird and our blue. That's went to my friend Lucas. Sad but good for him and the bird, so that's good. And that cage is really good. It's like from here, from like here, the top here, all the way to like here, and then it's got like a thing in the bottom, like a wheel. So yeah. So guys,